Hello guys, welcome back in my channel again, and today I'm gonna show you how to activate your internet download manager with a easy method. Now I'm gonna show you my IDM is not activated. Please make sure your Windows security is stopped or off. You can see only 4 days left, and they want a key for it's activated. Now please go to the description link and click there. If your PC is 32-bit, then download the 32-bit file, and my PC is 64-bit, then I will download 64-bit. Start download. After downloading it, open it. It's want a password, and the password is 123. Then next, you know the install method. Yeah, you can see it's successfully packed. So thanks for watching my video. Please share it with your friends. Goodbye.